Happy Friday, Scots. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Raquel. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into this week's announcements. First up, Highlands prom bids are officially on sale. There's $65 with an ASB sticker and $70 without. You can purchase your bids before school, at lunch, or after school, so make sure you grab yours soon.
Just a reminder, the finance office closes promptly at 4:10 p.m., so don't wait until the last minute. The last day to buy prom bids is Thursday, May 1st. And if you're bringing a guest who doesn't attend Highland, be sure to stop by the dean's office and pick up a guest permission form.
Next up, big congratulations to Selena Aguilar. She earned gold at the Skills USA state competition in the Arts and Communication cluster.
Selena will be representing Highland at the national competition this June in Atlanta, Georgia. Way to go, Selena. We're proud of you.
Hey, so you only got one clip?
Third, attention all sophomores and juniors. Link leader applications to join Link Crew next year are due today. Don't miss your chance to be a part of something awesome.
Make sure to see Mr. Valdez in room 14Z.
And finally, AP students, listen up. AP study sessions are happening on Saturdays, April 26th, May 3rd, and May 10th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Don't miss out on this awesome opportunity to review with your classmates and get support from your teachers as you prep for your AP exams.
Come ready to ask questions, study hard, and build that test day confidence. If you got any questions, be sure to reach out to your AP teachers ASAP.
And now it's time for a quick break.
Check out this video.
Hi, I'm Eileen and I'm a part of the Plaid Advocacy Center. Today we're going to be discussing how to get out of a toxic environment.
How can you define toxicity? Being in a toxic environment means to be in a situation, relationship, or social circle that either directly or indirectly harms you, emotionally, mentally, or physically.
These are different types of relationships that you may find yourself being placed in, and here are examples that are going to express how toxicity can be shown in different ways.
How to identify toxic relationships.
Lack of trust, controlling behavior, manipulation, poor communication, physical and emotional abuse.
How to identify toxic friendships. We have gossiping, controlling, jealousy, competition, taking advantage, and disrespecting boundaries.
How to identify toxic family members.
No accountability or respect, gaslighting, and buying love.
Guilt tripping and comparing family members unfairly.
Let them know how you feel.
Know when to walk away. Take a step back.
Limit interactions.
Setting boundaries.
And remember, have daily check-ins with a family member or a friend.
By recognizing the toxicity, making intentional choices, and prioritizing your well-being, you can successfully move towards healthier, more positive situations in your life.
Remember, change takes time, but taking action is the first crucial step.
Welcome back, Scots.
We've got something exciting for you. The world premiere of a brand new film created by our advanced video production class is happening today at 4:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. at The Wall.
The film is called Highland's Hidden Treasure, and you won't want to miss it. Tickets are just $10 at the door for all ages.
And now, let's take a sneak peek. Check out this trailer.
world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I
Come out and show your support for your friends and classmates in this video production program. Tonight's the night.
Tickets are just $10 at the door for all ages.
The first showtime kicks off at 4:30 p.m.
And the second showtime starts at 6 p.m. Don't miss it. It's going to be epic.
Well, Scots, that's a wrap.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.
And always remember to plaid up.